In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install Grammarly extension in a minute. So let's get started. First, I'm going to google.com, then search Grammarly extension. You can see this is a Grammarly extension. Now I need to click this on Grammarly for Chrome. Just click on, then get Grammarly free. So at first you need to click this on. Okay, I need to log in here. I'm login with my Google, so just wait few seconds for processing. Get Grammarly for Windows and Chrome, so I select this one. Wow, it's work properly, so I wait few seconds for processing. You can see install the Grammarly browser extension, so I click this one, then add to click. Just click on add to. Now this also downloaded. I want to use right now. Okay, now download are completed, so you can see this extension already add to my QE. So I want to just click this icon because this is visibility. When I click this icon, it's always show in my front of screen. So I highly recommend you for click this icon. So if you want to more video to type up, please comment below. I will try to create a specific video only for you. See you next video. Take care. Goodbye.